much. Hands cover up. Youth, do it properly. Hand side, hands up, hand side, hands down. Stand is attention. Now please get ready for our school song. Start. Everybody are requested to sing louder, or else you will be called front and sing in mic. Okay. Attention. Stand it is attention. Now today, I think there is speech after Kritika, who is the member. So please welcome Anmol Adhikari on the stage for his speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected principal sir, brothers, sisters, teachers and my dear friends. It's me Anmol Adhikari standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of game and sports. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic will like this games and sports. Playing game is the most important part of the life. It is the activity in which an individual or a group works. Games gives us entertainment. Games provides us physical fit and healthy and mental alert, so the players can be seen active and alert. It makes us strong mentally and physically both. It is if we do not take any part in the event like sports and physical fitness, we will be mentally bored and tired and cannot do anything properly. Games can be considered as the main teachers which teaches us moral norms and discipline in one's life. It teaches us to make team spirit, sportsmanship and leadership. A sport person is not only to receive a medals but also it makes the country proud of him. A fair play person also try to make the game improve which he had take part in. Games can be classified into two types, indoor and outdoor games. The games which can be played inside the door is known as indoor, and which is played in open place or spacious place are known as outdoor. Carom, chess, ludo can be considered as indoor games, like basketball, football, volleyball can be considered as outdoor games. And at last I want to say that we should focus on games also that makes us physically fit and healthy. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Anmol, for your wonderful speech. Hands cover up. Stress, stress. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. So I will request all the class teachers to check the students' hygiene.
Hello.
You make
Hello.
separate line there. Make separate line. Make line there. Okay, here then they do not so lovely. So also come here. Some chocolate must be given to you. Make separate line. Take
Hands
line.
cover up.
From this side, up this side.
Come close it.
Hands side.
Height wise, height wise.
Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Studies. Attention. Cover up.
Like this, right? Yes. One hand front, one hand back. Yeah. Well, walking also is different, yeah.
Is anything wrong? Shoes? Huh? Is anything wrong? Shoes? Put shoes properly.
Yeah, make separate line.
A very warm good morning and namaskar to everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, dear Chairman, Coordinator, and respected teachers and all my dear students. Our school, Anupam Vidyasadhan, is not only focusing on study. So our school focuses different types of ECA and CCA activities. So, we conducted the program of Nepali Easy competition on 17th Bhadra 2081. So, and we divided into two groups, senior and junior. So senior 7, 8 and 9 and junior 4, 5 and 6. So I have got the result here. So I like to request coordinator to put together the winners, first, second and third. And similarly, I will request our respected Vice Principal Sir to provide the prizes to the winners. And now, calling the participants who got the third positions on Nepali Easy Competition 2081. The third position deserved by Red House from senior. Let me call on the stage Anmol Adhikari from grade 9, Robins Bonta from grade 7, Nisa Sirakati from grade 8 and Anuza Thaba from grade 7. Congratulations to you all.
No, what name is there?
Similarly, second position deserved by Yellow House. The participants from Yellow House, I will request to come on the stage. So everybody please put your hands together for them. Youth Nepali, Cecil Chand, Krijal Khalka and Rakshak Ranamagar, please come on the stage and congratulations to you all. And the winner of Nepali Hize Competition 2081 is none other than which house? Blue House. The participants from Blue House, so all of you welcome on the stage. So please everyone put your hands together for them. Nistara Sahi, Pawan Kumar Yadav, Kritika Adhikari and Sonima Marzan. Congratulations to you all. Okay, so now from senior, sorry, it's junior, 4, 5 and 6. The third position deserved by Blue House. The participants, students from Blue House, I like to call on the stage Sugam Thapamagar from grade 6, Susmiti Malsina from grade 5, Simran Wagle from grade 5 and Priyanka Rawat from grade 4. Please welcome on the stage and everyone put your hands together for them. And congratulations the participants from Blue House. And the second position deserved by none other than Green House. The participants from Green House. Please calling the participants from Blue House who deserve second position are Rohit Kumar Thakur, Kritika Nirpani, Divyani Vandari and Edzi Vista. So please everybody put your hands together for them. And similarly, the winner of Nepali Easy Competition 2081 goes to Yellow House. The participants are Manju Rawat, Prisa Shrestha, Ganga Nagarkoti and Rima Kathayat. Congratulations to you all. Please come quickly. So we have one result left to be published. That is the story writing competition. So I think so the result of story writing competitions will be published on Monday, coming Monday.
No, the results can be published tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow let's do, and tomorrow we'll reward them. Tomorrow this children's day also. It will be quite but let's collect.
So tomorrow will be published the result of story writing competition. So the winners of Nepali History competition from senior and junior participants. I'd like to say congratulations. So now I'd like to call on the stage our respected Vice Principal sir to give some
Thank you very much.
Atin.
Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention.
Okay, so tomorrow
We are going to celebrate our grand program.
are you ready for it or not? Ready? So you can wear the dress which you like. Is that okay? Very attractive dresses. Whatever you have got with cheerful face, happy mood, you can come. And school will provide you tiffin. Will that be okay or not? So tiffin will be provided by school on the occasion of Children's Day. And tomorrow, the students who have deserved ranks in Nepali speech competition and English speech competition, they will give assembly speech. During the time of assembly, the winners from senior and junior, please prepare yourself the speech on the title Children's Day. Maximum 3 minutes each. Is that clear or not? Deepak, can you hear me? Bora? Or you are discussing with Arus? The winners of English speech and Nepali speech must prepare the speech themselves and give their speech in assembly tomorrow. And the best speech will be rewarded. So who will give the best performance, we will reward at the time only. And later on we will have our program that will be held inside the hall. And you have to be full-fledged disciplined so that program will be grand. Is that clear? And today, during tiffin time, the students who are going to take part in dance, no, not dance, from where dance is coming, this art competition, they can come in my office and I will give you the duty. So at that time there will be presence of our teacher as well, and the winner will be sent for the program as well. Is that clear? Attention. Okay, students, today you can do rehearsal in hall. Only the dancers, those who are going to perform in the songs, they can go to next hall where you used to practice. Only the dancers, they can go and practice over there because they have to find out their position, whether they are able to dance in that particular space or not. But it must be under the supervision of our coordinator sir, Santosh sir will observe, and he will take you systematically. All students, they will not go at once. They will perform for some time, and if their activity is over, they can come out. There was one complaint. They are making the hall quite dirty. You are not there for making it dirty. Just practice and go again for rehearsal. Will that be okay? Okay, attention. Cover up, hands side, hands up, clap together. in a systematic order. Hands side, hands down. Standard is attention, march time.